Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make achappam. I have here 3 eggs. We are going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and beat it to a nice foamy mixture. We're going to add in 2 cups of rice flour to this. We're going to add in half a cup of milk. Let's add the remaining 1 cup of rice flour. Let's add half more cup of milk. This will be the consistency of your batter. We're going to keep it for resting for almost an hour so that it gets a little fermented, and then we'll make the achappams. On medium heat, heat oil and make sure the achappam mold is hot, and then we will start preparing. Take the mold, dip it in the batter, and then put it back in the oil. So make sure after you make the first one, dip the mold again back to the oil to warm it up. Cook on both sides until it's golden brown. Achappams are ready. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.